Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Oxman Garage. If you haven't visited the channel yet, my name is Philip. On today's vlog, we're going to be focusing on the Elantra N. I'm going to be dropping off to get PPF done. Just got this car. I know the paint isn't 100% the best on the front end, so I want to protect it. And so I'm going to do the front. I'm going to do the hood, fenders, and front bumper and everything to protect it from rock chips on daily use. And then I also got to go to the store, pick up some super glue for some mods that have shown up. So stay tuned for the mods. Let's get on. Let's get the PPF done first. We have arrived. Getting my PPF done on the Elantra N. Alright, so we're going to do PPF on the front of the car only and all the red pieces. So we're going to do it on the hood, going to do it on the front bumper, take the emblem off. I'm going to be changing that out with a black emblem here. I'm still waiting for that to show up in the mail. But the top piece right there that's painted, the lower part that is gray that's painted, the red, this piece, all of this, and then all the way up until this body line. So it'll be really hard to see, but it'll protect most of the front of the car from obviously stone chips and everything. And then obviously we're going to do the red on the side and come around to the back and we'll do the red on the back of the bumper. So we're gonna do all the red pieces for the simple fact that I've seen online a couple of people have complained that the red under like heavy washing, like a pressure washer, has like peeled partially off, like it's flaked off like the paint. So I just want to take care of it, clean it up, and not have to worry about that. Yeah, you can go to the dealership and get that covered in a warranty, but who wants to deal with that? So we'll just protect it from the very beginning, not have to worry about that at all. And we'll do like the front end just from rock chips and everything else. I don't think I really need the whole entire car PPF, just from obviously wear and tear for going to be daily driving this car. So driving it off, we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So the PPF is on. Let's take a quick look. She looks great. So we took it all the way to, like I said, right here on the A-pillar, this body line we used, and you can kind of see the seam right there, but hit it with that line. But she's looking great. I did not put the front badge back on. I'm going to put a black badge on here. You can see where the PPF ends right there, so that's cool. The middle's not protected, but rock chips and stuff right there are probably not going to be a big concern. So what we ended up doing is the paint and the red. So the hood, this front piece on the front bumper, this, that, and then all the red. So all the way around the car, even on the back, to try to prevent the peeling and the issues that people are having with that. Overall, extremely happy with how it came out. So let's get on to the next part of the video. Let's install some car parts. So in this box is from Boomba Racing, and let's check it out. Let's get this thing opened up. Yes, I'm opening this upside down. Hopefully, yes, everything is on the bottom. Oh, look at that. Got an awesome lanyard. And we have the shifter bushings. And the blow-off valve. And the shifter plate. So we're going to install the shifter plate. That's fine. It says Veloster N, so, but this is the same one that they use on the Elantra. So we have this one, and we have these. So let's get these installed and this installed. I am going to hold off on the blow-off valve for right now, because I am taking this car to the dyno and I want a 100% stock reading out of it. So we're going to do the shifter bushings and the adapter today. Let's take a look at how the throw is right now with everything stock, and then I'll do one afterwards. And yes, I know the top's missing. I have it stored right here. Goes on like that. It's popped off. It popped off at like 250, 300 miles. I'm like just shifting, and it came off in my hand. Like it was kind of loose and jiggly, and I just hadn't gotten to it. Like it was jiggly in the morning, and then in the afternoon it just kind of fell off. Like this screw screws into the back of here, and then obviously it just wasn't installed right or wiggled, who knows. But it was installed, and like I said, like mile 250, 300, it just, you know, came off. So I will put that back in storage, and let's check out to see what the throw is. So that's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So that would give us a baseline of, you know, once again, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then obviously reverse. So that would give us a baseline. So let me get those installed. Alright, so I got the parts on box, got the Boomba shifter bushings, and also got the transmission adapter plate, and got all the tools necessary to do the job. So it's not too bad. Some super glue, which is to glue the backside, the underneath ones onto the plate. And got some, it said synthetic grease, so got some brake life that worked perfectly. I got some pliers, got a flathead screwdriver, 4mm Allen. I have both shallow and deep 10 and 12mm sockets. I don't know what I'm going to need, so I'll have both. And I have my ratchet, and if I need to grab an extension, I will do that. So first things first is to get rid of this get this air box out, and to also get the battery out. So I also went and grabbed a spring clamp remover, because yeah, that's what the pliers are going to be for, but this makes the job way easier. Alright, so I kind of cut a little short because camera started overheating. It's not even that hot out here, it's in the morning, but still too hot for it. So got the airbox out, got the battery tray out, and now we are down to where we need to be, which is the shift linkages, which is going to be right here and right here. So I got to take these two clips off, and then I can get to the shifter bushings, which the bracket is right down here. It's kind of hard to see. Zoom in a little bit. You can kind of see, yeah, right there. It gets really hard to see in this area, but need to undo these, then get this out and put them in. Alright, so I got the shifter bracket loose, so I just need to push out the 3 bushings, and then I will super glue the bottom parts of the shifter bushings on the middle ones, and then put the top ones on, and then reinstall it. And these came out super easy. So the metal bracket part is on the bottom, so I just put my hand on the bottom and I just yanked it, and they popped right out. Honestly, this was way easier than I thought it was going to be, because bushings a lot of times are a real bear. Out with the 600 or so mile rubber bushings onto a nice set of metal aluminum bushings. This should change the slop. This should get rid of almost all the slop, if not all of it. So I'm super excited to feel the difference. Let's get them installed. Alrighty, they are installed. There's 1, let's see if I can zip, there's 2, and there's 3. All done. Onto the adapter. So when we go to install this adapter, you need the 4mm Allen key for those 2 bolts so it can attach properly. And then that will slide on to the current, and then this will be where the shift linkage connects to. Alright, shifter adapter's in. So to move these, so this needs to get moved. You pull this back, and then you push on the bottom where the pink is, and then extend it all the way till it locks. And then I need to lubricate this, and then put this down, and then put the clips back in, and then put this all back together. And there she is, 100% back together. Let's go check out that throw. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, that throw is crazy. That's way different. Oh, and it's heavier because the adapter's weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And reverse. Wow, that's so different. I really like that. Wow, that made a difference. Like, wow, guys, that made a world of difference. Complete night and day. God, I'm really excited to go take this for a test drive. I will let you guys know how it feels, and I will let you guys know also through driving it a little bit if it still, you know, locks me out of those gears, or if this completely and utterly got rid of that problem. If you guys did enjoy this video, like squad, please go smash that like button for me. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, what you waiting on? Just go smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and see what else I have coming out. I did get some more parts, like I said, for this car, and I got some parts in for the Neon, so I'm going to get that back up on the road, probably on the next video. I don't know if I'm going to do the next one or the one after, but definitely going to go back to the Neon and finally get that sunroof put back in. I did source another piece of glass, and it wasn't 100%, but I think it's going to work. It's not rusting or it's not, you know, collecting water, so hopefully we'll get rid of that leaky sunroof situation on the Neon. In any case, like I said, like squad, please go smash that like button for me. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the channel, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Alright guys, peace.